Hello everyone, welcome to Sources classes. So in this video again we'll be continuing our discussion with questions from the HSEE 2019 paper. The question that we'll be focusing on in this particular video is our quantitative aptitude section, and the question that we are trying to solve in this video is question number 49 of the paper. Okay, we'll take a look and try to understand the question. A team of n person can complete a task in 24 days. After 6 days of working together by the team of n person, another 6 person join them, and this 6 n plus 6 person complete the remaining part of the task in the next 12 days. Okay, if all are equally capable, find the value of n. So let me do one thing. Let total work be 24 units. Okay, so therefore n person take 24 days to complete the same. Okay, so therefore they work at 1 unit per day. Okay, so each day n people work at 1 unit per day. So therefore one person works at 1 by n unit per day. Okay, so this is the efficiency of 24 people. Let me use a different color. Yeah, this is the efficiency of n people. Okay, and this is the efficiency of one person. Okay, so I hope this thing is clear. Now it's said that they work for 6 days. Okay, because after 6 days people join, that is for the first 6 days this n number of people works. So in 6 days 6 unit work completed. Why? Because their efficiency is 1 unit per day. In 6 days they will complete 6 units. So work remaining is 24 minus 6, that is 18 units. Okay, so now this 18 units are to be done by n plus 3 people. Okay, each working at an efficiency of 1 by n unit per day. Okay, for 12 days. Okay, and this they'll be doing 18 units of work. So 2 3. So this is at 2n. Oh, sorry, n plus 3. Sorry, n plus 6. Sorry, 6 new people joined. 6 plus 12 equal to 3n, or n is 12, which is the answer. Should be. I hope this is clear. This particular question, not that difficult. So just if you understand the concepts, it's pretty easy to solve the same. Okay, and I hope this thing is clear as well. So with all that said, I'll be signing out, and we'll be continuing our discussion with the similar sort of questions in the subsequent videos. Thank you so much.